All right, this is a unboxing of a DEWALT 6-tool combo kit. It's the DCK628D2. Got this from Home Depot. Oh, everything. Oh, that was actually a lot easier than I thought. Everything already comes in the bag. Alright, so obviously it comes with a tool bag, which is nice to get everything together. Alright, here's your battery charger. Alright, got the oscillating tool, and I got this one based on the recommendation from the Home Depot associate because it has this XR version. He said that this was the top of the line that that Lowe's, I got this from Lowe's, that Lowe's carries. Got the light here. Alright, got the oscillating, or the reciprocating saw. Alright, got the circular saw here. So you got your instructions. Got the flashlight. I don't know why the companies keep putting a flashlight in here. I don't think anyone actually uses the flashlight. I'd rather not use one of my batteries for it, but there you go. Get your standard drill. Oh, set to max setting. This one does not have a light on it. Oh yeah, it does. Here we go. A little LED right there. There we go. This one. Here we go. Oh, this has got the 3 LEDs right here. Comes with 2 batteries, which is nice. Both 2 amp. Oh, this has the circular, this has the blade inside. Let's see. A few accessories. Okay, this is just going to show my ignorance. I don't know what this is, but there it is. Oh, here's a clip for one of the drills to attach. Oh, here we go. Here's a second one with a little screw, with a little bolt in there. There we go. We got the blade for the reciprocating saw, and also the oscillating tool. There's a blade in there with a couple of the adapters, with a couple of the attachment securing hardware, and all of the languages for the manuals and everything in the actual bag. There you go. That was everything that was inside. And it's got a shoulder strap here as well. It's a pretty decent sized bag too. I mean, obviously fit everything. So there's the unboxing. Enjoy.